Hey y'all, I wanted to share this real quick tip with you. When you're cooking, make sure you have an area or a trash bag or something handy to put all your scraps in as you cooking, as you cracking eggs, as you cutting up vegetables. I was peeling some garlic today, making me some garlic oil. I use a old Ziploc bag. So let's say, for instance, I had some collard greens in the refrigerator and I've sauteed my collard greens and I'm through because the bag is empty. I keep that bag, and then on the next day that I cook, I'm always cooking some vegetables. I'll save that bag and use that bag as my trash bag. Or let's say I'm making some pasta, I'll just use the box as a trash bag. Or if your sink is divided, you can determine whether or not you want to use half the sink to put all of your scraps and stuff in. But you need to have a designated area to put your trash and stuff in as you're cooking, instead of constantly going back and forth to the trash can, so that after you get through, you just dump all of that stuff at one time in the trash can. So that's the tip that I have for you. Some people use a bowl, some people use half their sink. I tend to use a used Ziploc bag, not fresh ones, used Ziploc bags, because I keep them after I get through cooking my vegetables. Okay, that's the tip that I got for y'all today. I'm Val Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Bye now.